Imagine packing for an entire month with only a carry-on. Sounds impossible, right? Well, here's the shocking truth. The average traveler checks in over 30 pounds of luggage, yet studies show that 70% of what's packed in those bags isn't used at all. That's a lot of wasted space, and a lot of stress. But here's the kicker. Packing light can actually make your trip more enjoyable. In a survey, 85% of travelers who went on a carry-on-only journey reported feeling less stressed and more free. It's not just about less baggage, it's about less mental load. A small bag means less time spent waiting for luggage, more freedom, and more money saved on checked baggage fees. It's also better for the environment. The more you pack, the more fuel your plane uses. So, how can you fit everything you need into a tiny carry-on? Well, in the chapters ahead, I'll share strategies to make packing for a month feel like a breeze. From the mindset shift to choosing the right clothes, we'll dive into how to simplify your travel without sacrificing comfort or style. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll wonder why you ever needed to check a bag in the first place. Ready to pack like a pro? Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Minimalist Mindset. Packing light, living large. When you think about packing for a month-long trip, your first instinct might be to bring everything but the kitchen sink. But packing light isn't just about reducing the weight of your luggage. It's about freeing up mental space, too. Travelers who pack light often find that it enhances their experience. According to a study by the University of California, minimalist travel can actually boost happiness by reducing decision fatigue. Packing light isn't just a trend, it's a way to live more intentionally. In fact, a survey showed that 60% of travelers felt less stressed on trips when they traveled with only carry-ons. The key to packing light is focusing on the essentials and letting go of excess. You don't need a closet full of clothes or an overstuffed bag to enjoy a month away. The minimalist mindset helps you realize that experiences matter more than possessions. The fewer things you carry, the more room there is for adventure. You don't need 10 outfits to make your month enjoyable. Instead, focus on clothes that can be mixed and matched. In this chapter, we'll explore how a smaller bag equals a larger experience. Chapter 2. Essentials only. The 10 must-have items for a month away. When packing for a month, it's easy to overthink. But here's a reality check. You only need about 10 items to keep you covered. These essentials are a blend of practicality and comfort. A versatile jacket that can be worn in multiple weather conditions. Essential. A pair of slip-on shoes that can go from sightseeing to dinner? Absolutely. By focusing on multi-use items, you can save both space and weight. For instance, a high-quality, lightweight backpack with multiple compartments can be your best friend. A portable charger is a must-have, especially for digital nomads or solo travelers. Remember, 90% of people lose at least one charging cable while traveling, so pack extras. And don't forget to bring a power bank, it'll be a lifesaver during long days out and about. Another clever item is a travel towel. These towels are compact, quick-drying, and lightweight, ideal for hostel stays, outdoor adventures, or beach days. Packing light is about being strategic, and the trick is always to prioritize. If you're not sure about an item, ask yourself, will I use this more than once? If not, leave it behind. Chapter 3. Clothing hacks. 5 ways to create a capsule wardrobe. Creating a capsule wardrobe for a month doesn't mean boring outfits. In fact, it's about curating versatile pieces that work in multiple combinations. Start with neutral basics. Think black, white, and gray. These colors are not only timeless but easy to mix and match. If you're traveling to different climates, look for clothes that layer well. A lightweight jacket or sweater can be worn over almost anything, allowing you to adapt to any weather changes. One popular hack is the 3-day rule. Pack enough clothes for 3 days, then repeat and rotate them. This works because most travelers don't wear the same outfit every day. Rotate your clothes for freshness without packing extra. Did you know that most travelers wear just 30% of the clothes they pack? By keeping things simple, you save space and time. Investing in wrinkle-free fabrics will also help you pack lighter. These clothes can be folded and stuffed into your bag without worrying about creases. In addition, solid fabrics like denim and cotton are durable and can handle the rigors of a long trip. When packing shoes, choose one pair that's versatile enough for both hiking and casual outings. Remember, you can always buy extra items if absolutely necessary, but let the essentials do the heavy lifting. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more expert packing hacks. Chapter 4. Packing Secrets. How to organize your carry-on like a pro. Efficiency is key when packing only a carry-on. One of the best packing strategies is using packing cubes. These nifty organizers keep everything in its place, making it easy to access your clothes without rummaging. By separating your items into categories, such as tops, bottoms, and toiletries, you avoid digging through your entire bag. Compression bags are another fantastic tool. They allow you to shrink your clothes, maximizing the available space. This works especially well for bulkier items like jackets or sweaters. In fact, packing cubes and compression bags can increase the efficiency of your carry-on by up to 60%. Layering is another technique to save space. Instead of rolling each item individually, layer clothes on top of each other, starting with heavier pieces at the bottom and lighter ones at the top. This not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. Keep your toiletries in clear, resealable bags to comply with airline rules, and place them at the top for easy access. If you're packing tech gear, organize cords and gadgets in separate pouches to avoid tangling. Chapter 5. Travel Toiletries. Streamlining your essentials without sacrificing comfort. Toiletries are one of the most challenging things to pack in a carry-on. But with some clever strategies, you can streamline your essentials. Start by swapping liquid products for solid alternatives. Shampoo bars, solid deodorants, and bar soap are great space savers. You can also transfer your favorite liquids into small, TSA-approved containers. Many travelers use reusable silicone bottles for a more eco-friendly option. It's also worth noting that many hostels and hotels provide basic toiletries. So, before packing your entire skincare routine, consider what you can get on the go. Pack only the essentials, like sunscreen, toothpaste, and a razor. Instead of bringing heavy makeup, choose a compact kit with multitasking items like a tinted moisturizer with SPF and a multi-use lip balm. Speaking of toiletries, it's helpful to pack items that can do double duty. For instance, a face cleanser that also works as a body wash can cut down on space and weight. Travel-sized versions of your favorite products can be a lifesaver, but make sure they meet the airline's guidelines for liquids, 3.4 ounces or less. Chapter 6. On-the-go fashion. How to look stylish without the extra weight. One of the biggest concerns for light packers is staying stylish with limited clothing. The secret is to pick items that are both functional and fashionable. A stylish scarf, for example, can be a game changer. It adds flair to any outfit while doubling as a blanket on chilly flights or a beach cover-up. Another trick is to choose items that are wrinkle-resistant, so you always look polished no matter how long your clothes have been in your bag. Fashion-forward travelers often swear by the one in, one out rule. If you bring in a new item, you leave something behind. This helps prevent overpacking. Another popular trick is to wear the heaviest or bulkiest items on the plane, like jackets or boots, to save space in your bag. A good rule of thumb is to stick with timeless pieces that you can accessorize easily. A simple black dress can go from day to night with the right shoes and jewelry. Also, when it comes to shoes, think about versatility. A pair of neutral sneakers can work for a hike, a city tour, or a night out. Keep your accessories simple but functional, like a crossbody bag that fits your essentials and a hat to protect from the sun. With the right pieces, you can travel light while still looking stylish and put together. Enjoyed these tips? Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks that will make your journey easier and more stylish.